in a live stream, we glued up this little tabletop here using Cascamite powdered resin wood glue. Now the temperature overnight was around 8 degrees, so it was reasonably cold. And really, ideally you don't be using this stuff below 10 degrees really. And Cascamite powdered resin wood glue is a very, very good glue. But I thought to show you at what stage we're at with garden glue in its setting. Now I think it's going to, well, sometime this afternoon it will be hard enough. But at the moment it's actually soft. If I just bring you in a bit closer and I'll better show you. If you look here, it is actually really quite soft still. You know, it's setting, but it's not. You know, it's not set yet because that should be so hard it'd be almost brittle. Yeah, at the moment it's rubbery. So the thing is, you just got to bear in mind really, whenever you do a glue up using Cascamite, just think about your ambient temperature, the humidity in the air and what have you, because this is, basically this is an old stone barn that I'm in, this workshop, and it requires either more time or you need to get the heating on. So anyway, be always kind and boot the old like button and maybe subscribe to the channel. And the bell icon, because then you get one buzzy pin in your pocket every time I upload another video. Well, I just thought I'd share it with you. Why don't you check out our lives as well? Yeah. I suppose we're going to have to clean this up, I suppose. Toodaloo.